Welcome back to Hellman's Kitchen. I'm Stephen Hellman, military veteran chef who earned my culinary degree through the U.S. Coast Guard, which I used to cook for hundreds of sailors a day on the high seas for years. Today, I'll show you how to cook the best fresh fish tacos with lime slaw. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find my video useful, and like this video to help support my channel overall. Time to combine all of our ingredients we need to create our fish taco marinade. My favorite beer is Coors Light, but feel free to use your own favorite. If you don't drink beer, you can't go wrong with Coors Light, not gonna lie. If anyone from Coors Light is watching this, I'm way open for sponsorship if you're down. One thing to keep in mind when you're using this marinade is to not leave your fish sitting in it too long. Otherwise, it'll start to cook from the acids we're using, like the lime and orange juice. It'll basically cook like ceviche, which is delicious, but we don't want it for these tacos. Let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or so and you'll be fine. This cilantro lime coleslaw is one of my favorite toppings, which I could literally eat by the spoonful after all the flavors marry into one another nicely. I even used my leftover coleslaw for a bean burrito not too long ago, and it gave it that nice crunch I was missing in it before. Super tasty stuff. Add in some minced jalapeno if you like it spicy. Let this sit in the fridge for 30 minutes also. The thinner you slice the veggies, the tastier it's going to be at the end. Drop a comment below if you got a creative take on the slaw. You need to make sure you're cooking your fish on a nice hot pan or use the grill if it is nice weather out for you. We want a nice sear, cooking on both sides for about 5 minutes or until tender. Pro Mexican tip, cook these bad boy tortillas on your open gas flame if you got it. Comes out super nice and charred. Just don't burn down the place.